Hello, and welcome to Purdue Agronomy. I'm Dr. Laura Bowling. I'm the new department head in the Agronomy Department at Purdue University. My first day is actually August 19th, so we can start our agronomy journey together. I know that the start of college can be somewhat overwhelming, but don't worry, you're not alone. We are here to mentor and guide you and provide resources throughout your agronomy journey. Whether you are struggling with what your major should be or how to catch a bus, we're here to help. My research and teaching passion is agricultural water management. I'm interested in managing agricultural water resources so we make sure that the crops have the water they need while we're also protecting downstream ecosystems. Whether your passion is how to manage new hybrids of short corn or understanding how phloem works for long distance signaling of sulfur deficiencies in Arabidopsis, there are options in the Department of Agronomy to fit your passions. You will have access to state-of-the-art classes, research experiences, amazing faculty, internship experiences, and extracurricular activities to enhance your undergraduate experience. We encourage you to get involved in all that Purdue has to offer. Join a couple of clubs, make new friends, maybe go to class from time to time. We're really excited to welcome you to Purdue. I'll see you in August. Boiler up.